Hi, my name is Dr.E.Purushotham. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the projectile motion. So, in this projectile motion lecture, I included ARCS model. So, in this projectile motion, I included first theoretical values of maximum height, range and the angle theta and 90 minus theta both are having the same angle. So, another one, we can observe same values in the PHET simulation process. So, I am going to explain. First, I included in this lecture the objectives of the video recording. So, two objectives. One is analyze the various parameters, and the second one is that the students should be able to identify the correct outputs in answering the questions. So, these are the total 4 key learning points. So, first of all, I am going to take the attention in the students. First, what we can observe in this process. So, if a body or an object is projected with a certain velocity and a certain angle other than the horizontal, what happens? Just we are going to observe. So, what is the definition of projectile? A body or an object projected with a certain velocity and a certain angle, the body is moving under the gravitational field in trajectory, that is the parabolic path. So, what are the examples of projectile motion? So, a man taking a long jump, and second one is a bullet fired from the gun. So, these are the important points about the projectile motion. The velocity, initial velocity u is split into two components. This is u cos theta, this is the u sin theta. This u cos theta value is constant in any place because it does not depend upon the gravitational field, but the vertical component changes from one point to another point because it depends upon the gravitational field. So, this we can observe using this simulation process. This is the vertical component, this is here 0, this is the maximum value, but this is constant from one place to another place. So, my dear student, just take a minute paper activity, take a pen and paper, write down these answers. So, I am giving the questions. First one, write any two examples of projectile. Second one, if there is no gravitational field on the body, what can we observe? Third one, if gravitational field acting on the body, what is the part of the body? Just write down. So, these are the expected answers from the minute paper activity. So, from this projectile motion, we can calculate the maximum height. So, just this is the initial velocity uy, vertical velocity vy. These values are substituting in v square minus u square is equal to 2as, that is the equation of motion. Finally, we get this h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. So, second one, range of the projectile. What is the definition of the range? So, this is the definition, the horizontal distance traveled by a projectile during the time of flight. So, definition, this is horizontal velocity into time of flight. Already we calculated time of flight to u sin theta by g. Just substituting, we get r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. So, this is the maximum range. At theta is equal to projection angle 45 degrees, we can get u square by g value. This value also we can observe in simulation process. So, it is the same, theta and 90 minus theta both are having the same range values. We can observe from this table, this 25 degrees and 65 degrees both are having same range value, and also 35, 55 degrees. It has the same 13.8 values. At 45 degrees it has the maximum value. These are we can observe using this simulation process. So, we can observe the simulation process. For example, theta is equal to 90 degrees, 30 degrees. So, we can observe the range. So, it has the, from this simulation process, it has the range 19.8 meters. So, another one, this is theta, 90 minus theta minus 90 minus 30 means that is 60 degrees. 60 degrees also has the same range value, that is the 19.8 meters. 19.8 meters. At theta is equal to 45 degrees, it has the maximum range we can observe in, that is the maximum value, that is we can observe here, that is the 22.9 meters. All these things we can observe in this table. So this is the table, we can already observe, this is for example theta 25 and 90 minus 25, 65 degrees, both are having 11.3 meters. So at 45 degrees it has the 14.7 maximum range. So to get the satisfaction from the students, finally I am asking what is a projectile. Second one, what are the examples of projectile motion of our everyday life? What is the vertical velocity value at maximum height of the projectile? At what angle the projectile has maximum range? So in this process, in this lecture, I used the ARCS model. It helped us to learn and implement different types of activity learning strategies. So this experience helped to transfer into our teaching, which gives an output of outcome based education. So thank you one and all.